trapped. So are we, Greg.
What does this thing even look like?
No one really knows for sure. It's really good at hiding, though, but in an empty space like this, it should be easy enough to find.
Riddle me this.
We need some lights on.
Well, that was convenient.
All right, start checking everywhere.
Elysia.
It knows my name.
It knows a lot.
Riddle me this. The doorman tells the first traveler 12, and the traveler says 6. The traveler is allowed to pass. The doorman tells the second traveler 6, and the traveler says 3. The traveler is allowed to pass. The doorman tells the third traveler 10, and the traveler says 5. The traveler is cut into tiny, tiny pieces. The Sphinx says 4. What do you say?
What are we looking for?
Oh, Greg, I think I know.
Margery, do not help her.
It's...
Margery?
No helping! 1 down and 3 still standing. I need an answer!
I know the answer.
An answer! Now!
Why did he just do that? He just saw what happened to Margery.
I don't know. Wait. I have a theory.
What?
The Sphinx is channeling Margery's telepathy, so we have to say exactly what's on our mind.
Margery's telepathic?
Answer!
Don't you dare think of the answer. Don't leave me alone with this thing.
Stall.
I need some information.
What?
I need some information about the riddle.
Ask.
Who was the first traveler?
I don't know. Just a traveler.
What was his name?
It doesn't matter. Call him Frank.
What was Frank's job?
Oh, he sells insurance.
What city was he going to?
Phoenix.
Was he going home or was he going to sell insurance?
He's just visiting friends.
Could you please repeat the riddle with all that information?
Okay. The doorman to the city
I don't know.
of Phoenix
I'm not
tells
gonna
the
be able to find
first traveler,
anything.
whose
Think of
name
an
is
answer, I guess?
Frank, and
Not
sells
much help.
insurance as a visiting friends in the greater Phoenix
I'm sorry,
area.
Sphinx.
What?
Could you please repeat that one more time, but with information about all the travelers and the doorman?
Okay, listen. The doorman, whose name is John, and who has been the doorman to the city of Phoenix for the past 20 years, tells the first traveler, whose name is Frank, and sells insurance as in visiting friends in the greater Phoenix area, 12. Frank says 6. Frank is allowed to pass. The doorman, John, tells the second traveler, whose name is Judy, and is a homemaker, and is going on vacation, 6. And Judy says 3. Judy is also allowed to pass. The doorman, John, tells the third traveler, whose name is Richard, who works as a bank manager and who is opening in a new branch in the Phoenix area, 10. And Richard says 5. Richard is cut into tiny, tiny pieces. The Sphinx says 4. What do you say?
I got it! 4.
What?
The answer, it's 4.
Son of a...